Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Today we will present about cardiovascular system and their function in our body. Next, this is the table of contents of our slide. We have introduction, structure, anatomy of the cardiovascular system, how the blood flow in our body, or we call it as circulatory system, and the abnormal condition of the heart. And lastly, conclusion. Before we start, I will introduce our group members, which is Aiman Haziq and me, Ika Emeline, Megat Shah Iskandar, and also Muhammad Zain.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Manhaziq bin Jamali. So I will start the introduction of cardiovascular system. The circulatory system referred to the cardiovascular system is a sophisticated network of organs and vessels that carries waste materials, nutrition, hormones, oxygen, and other necessary materials throughout the body. It is essential for maintaining homeostasis and sustaining the functioning of several organs and tissues.
The next part is the structure anatomy of the cardiovascular system. Our heart divided by five main parts, which is heart chambers, valves, vessels, wall, and conduction system. The heart is made up of four chambers. The upper two chambers we call as atrium, and the lower two chambers we call as ventricle. Also, septum is a muscular wall that divides the heart into two parts. As we see here, there's superior vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, inferior vena cava, left ventricle, left atrium, pulmonary veins, pulmonary artery, and also aorta.
So I will continue about functions of cardiovascular system. For number one, it will remove carbon dioxide and circulates oxygen. And number two, it will supply nutrients to cell. Number three, it will transfer metabolic waste product through the organs that eliminate during the elimination. Number four, it will defend the body from illness and infection. Number five, after an injury, clotting stops the bleeding. For number six, it will transfer hormones to the suitable cells and organs. And lastly, aids in controlling body temperature.
The next part is the most important part that we should know, which is the blood flow in cardiovascular system, or usually we call as circulatory system. The cardiovascular system is responsible to our body, especially of our blood flow. I will explain the simple way how to understand the blood flowing or moving in our body. The poor oxygen blood enters the large vein, which superior and inferior vena cava. The blood entered the right atrium and pumped to the right ventricle, which is pump the blood to the lung. Then, the pulmonary artery carries the oxygen-poor blood from your heart to the lung. Your lung add oxygen to your blood. Then, the oxygen-rich blood returns to your heart through the pulmonary veins, and then the blood that from the lung enters the left atrium and pumps to the left ventricle. The left ventricle will generate the high pressure to hold your body and travel through a large artery called aorta.
Next is irregular heartbeat. Arrhythmia is the term used to describe any irregularity in the heartbeat rhythm or pace. The sinusoidal node, the heart natural pacemaker, produce electrical impulse that regulate heartbeat. The conduction system of the heart receive this electrical signal, which cause the heart to contract and eventually pump blood. In all type of arrhythmia, the heart does not beat or pump blood effectively. This disease limit blood supply to other organs, such as the lung and brain, which increase the risk of organ failure and damage. Next is coronary arteries. Among heart disorder, coronary artery disease is among the most prevalent. It happens when the major blood vessels in the body are injured or ill, making it difficult for them to adequate pump blood, oxygen, and nutrients from the heart to the rest of the body. The main causes of coronary artery disease are frequently inflammation and deposit of cholesterol in the article in the arteries called Plaque causes cause of coronary artery disease. Plaque formation. Arterial plaque is ultimately formed by arterial inflammation, which is a common cause of coronary artery disease. High cholesterol. High cholesterol is one of the primary risk factors for heart disease and plaque contain cholesterol.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the cardiovascular system, often referred to as the circulatory system, is the one of the most vital system in the human body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood working together to transport oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. Its functions are crucial for maintaining homeostasis and sustaining life. That's all from us. I hope this presentation can understand you about cardiovascular system. That's all. Thank you.